Tyrone. Good luck na lang. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Wala akong masasabi. Let's just play. Let the games begin. Let the games begin! Kasi mabait tayo eh. So like, we're just here to play and have fun. Ata.
Mabait pero palaban.
Yeah.
So, mag-ready na kayo.
Yeah.
Get ready. We're here to win, to get this. What?
Yes. Amen. Amen, sister. Amen.
Good luck, girls! At syempre, ang message ko sa inyo, mabuti naman nag-form kayo kasi hindi kayo makakapag-perform mamaya. Boo!